Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't find country or region in App Store. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change or find your country or region into your App Store, so let's see how can you easily do that. So the very first things you have to do, you have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you just have to scroll down, look for general, and go for software update. You have to make sure that your software is up to date, or if you find any software update here, you have to try to update your software. And once you have updated, you have to go back, and here you have to look for the VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Now you have to go back, and here select the language and region. Then select region, and from here you have to select the region which you want to set for your iPhone's region. So once you have done, now you have to open your App Store, then tap on your account in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID from here, and from here you just have to wait for the next screen. You have to verify yourself with your Face ID or Apple account password, and here you have to tap on this country or region option. And from here you have to look for the country or region which you want to select. So you just have to scroll down, or you can easily use this search option here. You have to tap on search, and here you have to search for country or region which you want to search. So once you have done, you have to tap on this to select that. So in this way, you can easily find your own country or region into your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.